Part of Flick's total solutions for transportation of fluids is monitoring and control. And an important product is the FMC Control Unit. The FMC Control Unit is the perfect tool for an overall picture of what's happening and what has happened in your pumping station. Just a glance at the FMC gives you access to all information. You'll instantly see which pumps are operating and their start and stop levels. Here's the pump sump on the front panel. When the start level is reached, pump number 1 starts up. Let's enter the channel for a look at the level. You can see it's sinking. The level drops to 0.4, so pump number 1 stops. If a fault occurs, the diode lamp for the current alarm lights up on the panel. The alarms shown are for overflow, power failure, high and low levels, motor protector tripped, leakage, high stator temperature, and other pump failures. The different alarms can be found in a separate alarm log. More than 1,000 alarms can be generated in the log. Alarms can be sent as text messages to a pager or in the cellular system. The alarm message shows the name of the plant, the alarm type, and when the alarm occurred. It's easy to program or change operating values with the push buttons, changing the start and stop levels, for example. The diode lamps light up when an alarm is sent to the central system, when the control unit receives or transmits data, and when the control unit is working. The water level in the pump sump is measured extremely accurately by level sensors, making it possible to estimate the amount of water in the sump. The FMC calculates the inflow and amount of pumped liquid, and this can be presented as reports or trends in your SCADA system. Current and nominal pump capacity can be read from the display. If a discrepancy occurs, the alarm goes on and you get an early warning if a pump starts clogging. Several functions in the FMC Control Unit contribute to easier maintenance of your pumping station. For example, you can start and stop the pumps at different levels. You can set the maximum pumping time to prevent clogging, and using a cleaning function, you can run the pumps until they're snoring. This function draws off dirt and fat. Other useful functions are current measurement, run time and starts, service, blocking functions, and energy consumption. Because you can expand the signals, you can integrate the FMC into all your facilities. Wastewater plants, for example, and water treatment plants. The FMC supports different protocols and communicates with several SCADA systems. Using a SCADA system, for example Flick's AquaView, it's easy for you to remote control your plants, which in turn makes your pumping stations more effective. AquaView lets you monitor and control your pumping stations from your computer, wherever you are. As you can see, the FMC's ease of use is reflected in AquaView. You'll recognize the work environment. For a 2-pump station, it's easy to get a quick overview of start and stop levels, pumped volume, inflow, overflow, energy consumption, and operational statistics per pump. Together with a monitoring and control system, the FMC control units optimize your pumping operations. FMC helps you reduce manual supervision in the field and reduces your service and maintenance costs. It's easy to use. We deliver precious functionality. The power of reliable communication.